Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the FRED token. Now the FRED token is trending #1 right now on DEX tools in the Tron section. This is another red based meme coin, trying to be the mascot of Tron. There's been a few of those so far that have come out. A lot of them are Matt Fury characters and things like that. And so this is a new token that basically just came out 8 hours ago, but it's very popular already. Like I said, trending #1. Name of the token is FRED. Ticker symbol is also FRED. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual. It is at FredTRX. And this token is actually trending #1 on DEX Tools and DEX Screener right now. Very popular project. It says, "I am Fred, Justin's best red friend. We grew up in Zinning and now live together on Tron." Their webpage is linked right there, fredtrx.com. 1,543 followers on the Twitter, 29 posts so far. The best play on Tron is Fred, your red friend. Calm before the storm. Do you see what I see? To the sun. So basically, Justin Sun, the creator of Tron, there's a lot of things, that people will post. Like earlier today, I posted the Sun Lion token, which is like from his early videos, tutorials, Tron YouTube videos. There is, the color red based off Tron. His last name is Sun, so all these tokens have Sun in them. So there's all these kind of like meme things going on in the Tron blockchain right now. It's definitely Tron Memecoin season right now. And so there's a lot of trending things, like especially red, sun, and anything related to do with Justin Sun. Now, their Telegram is at FredTron, 165 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be another great place to see updates regarding this token, along with their Twitter. And yeah, still trending #1 on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. You can find this token on tronscan.org. They are up 2,128% in the past 24 hours. And this token pair was actually only created 8 hours, 20 minutes ago on Sunswap. They have a web page, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Telegram. So lots of socials right off the bat. A lot of these tokens, barely have socials and a web page when they come out. But this one has a lot going on here. They have a $4.9 million 24-hour trading volume, 8,814 transactions so far. Their market cap is $1.7 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $163,000 in liquidity in Sunswap, and according to DEX Screener, 97.78% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, the price for this token right now is 0.0017 USD. And yeah, according to DEX Tools here, it says they have 1,680 holders so far. They have a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and that is also their circulating supply. They have here 529.63 pooled TRX in Sunswap, which is equivalent to 47.06 million pooled FRED tokens. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99 and a community trust score of 98.1% out of 104 votes. So besides that, if you head over to their webpage, fredtrx.com, there's tokenomics, how to buy, frequently asked questions, socials. They have linked to Telegram, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, CoinMarketCap, DEX Tools, and DEX Screener. They call me Fred, your best red friend. So that's like the slogan here. It says 0% taxes. So if you are going to buy, sell, or transfer this token, you probably will not have to worry about slippage. It says LP burnt, mint revoked, 100% liquidity pool, fair launch. So basically, if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet for Tron tokens. So you could use a Tron Link wallet. And there's other wallet options as well. If you go to Sunpump or Sunswap and you click Connect Wallet, it'll give you a bunch of options to pick from. But the popular one is Tron Link. So you would fund your Tron Link wallet with TRX, and you could do that from a central exchange. And there's a list of central exchange links you could use in the description box. So you fund your Tron Link wallet with TRX, go into the dApps, find Sunswap, and then trade your TRX for the FRED token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, fredtrx.com. And then for English, you would go /EN. So they have frequently asked questions here. Who is Fred? It's Justin's best friend. We already went over that. What chain is he on? Tron. What's the contract address? What makes Fred so special? Well, Fred is the first original meme on the Tron chain. Fred was born on Tron, and Fred won't be happy until he reaches 1 billion Tron. Now, he looks like a Matt Fury character at first glance. Does he not? I don't know. It doesn't say anything about Matt Fury on here, but very similar drawing anyways. It says, how can I participate in the community? Interact with our community on Telegram. You can participate in raids and challenges. Get rewarded for being part of the Fred army. It says, you are early. Are there any risks involved? Like any meme coins, invest only what you can afford to lose. No returns are guaranteed. And lastly is a roadmap. It says, no, but your Chinese friend might surprise you. Fred doesn't like to go out without surprises. Now, check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.